Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Ox Talks. Thanks for tuning in to the show today. Appreciate each and every one of you. I do have a story to share today with you as it pertains to cryptocurrencies and the impact of this rising bond rate. And I'm going to want, or bond yields. I'm going to want to get your guys' input on this because I don't know where this is going to go. But I thought I would use it as an opportunity to share with you my cryptocurrency story and how I got into cryptocurrencies. Many of you that follow this channel might assume that I am anti-cryptocurrency, and that is absolutely not the case. However, as you all are probably aware, I believe in the fundamentals in terms of protecting wealth, in terms of having a forced savings account, things of that nature to be invested in physical precious metals. That means gold and silver. And I've been stacking that stuff since probably 2012. And I've discussed it oftentimes on this channel, but I have not taken the opportunity to ever share with you guys my cryptocurrency story, how I first started getting into it, and what I've been doing since that time. And it's one of those situations where I wish, in hindsight, I would have taken the time. It was on my desk, literally, to look into, and I could have, let's say, been a lot wealthier today had I just. It wasn't so much been closed-minded about it. I just didn't take the time to learn. And you guys know right now, love it, hate it, whatever your position is on cryptocurrency, it is splattered across the news, even mainstream news now, with obviously Trump coming in and saying that he's going to be the greatest cryptocurrency president of all time. And all this stuff's generating a lot more buzz. Bitcoin is sitting, I don't know, about $94,000 right now. XRP today, if you guys follow this stuff, is I'm seeing about a 15% pump in the XRP price in the last 24 hours. Again, leave your comments below. But again, my crypto story starts. Let's go back to 2016. Okay, leave your comments below. What was the price of Bitcoin in 2016? I have no idea. But what I do know is I had a client, good friend of mine, who started a Bitcoin mining business. Now, in hindsight, he didn't stick with it. He probably wishes he would have, but he came to me and asked if I would set up the legal paperwork, get the entity formed for him, and do the corporate stuff. And I said, sure, no problem. So when we were finished with the legal work, he asked if I wanted to take my fee in Bitcoin. I said, yeah, sure. I mean, it wasn't a large enough fee that it made a difference. I thought, well, sure, that's fine. I didn't know anything about it. So he helped me He helped me to open up a Kraken account. I took this fee in Bitcoin. I don't know, $1,000, $2,000, something like that. And so that was how I received the fee. And I had this stuff sitting on Kraken for I don't know how long. Fast forward, but what I did not do is I did not take the opportunity to learn more about it because I had a shoe-in to be accumulating this stuff at 2016 prices. I did not do so. I never purchased any more Bitcoin after that. It sat in my Kraken account. Fast forward a few years, and I pulled the value up one day. I thought, wow, there's that thing has blown up into, I don't know, whatever had gone up 10x or something. I thought, well, I'll diversify it a bit. And so I did. I rolled some into Ethereum. I did learn how to do this. At the time, I believe that XRP had been embroiled in this lawsuit with the SEC, and you could not acquire that's XRP except Uphold. The Uphold platform was supporting it. So I remember I opened up an Uphold account and I started accumulating. Actually, what I did was I transferred some of the profits in the Bitcoin and accumulated some XRP, some Ethereum, I think some Dogecoin as well. And then over the years through the pandemic and afterward, I kept adding to the XRP. I think I'm in XRP probably about 50 cents, something like that, 60 cents. And you all know where it's at today. But the point is that I did accumulate more. And I did figure out how to, watching some other YouTubers and content creators, I did figure out how to transfer that cryptocurrency off the exchange, okay, into a cold wallet. Figured that out, understood the benefits of holding it off the exchange. And so that is my story, if you will, about how I got into cryptos. I am now studying it more. I understand. I don't understand a lot of the technical stuff behind it, but look, you can't deny that tokenization has some sort of a future. Am I saying that there's no downside risk? Absolutely not. This is not trading advice, financial advice, economic advice. Obviously, if the grid goes down, if the power goes down, you can't access this stuff. Does it take the place of physical precious metals? Absolutely not. It is something totally separate. You're hearing people now come out and say that Bitcoin's like digital gold as a store of value. It may or may not be. You guys can comment on that. But the point is this, that when you say the word digital, it is on a screen. It is in a wallet. You still have to have power, access to internet to be able to, transfer that stuff off of your wallet back to an exchange to sell it, okay? So if we have a situation where dynamics change and you can't access it, you're stuck, okay? So there are issues there, certainly if you are a preparedness mindset person. I've always been a skeptic, okay? But in hindsight, again, I wish I would have taken the time back in 2016 to learn more about this stuff. So am I adding to my positions? Yes, I am. And do I believe that this stuff is going to have, does it seem promising as let's say an alternative form of making money, okay? I am one of those people that I'm not going to foreclose an opportunity or poo-poo it because it doesn't fit within a rigid set of thinking patterns. Yes, fundamentally, I am a hard asset person, and if you don't hold it, you don't own it type thing. But there's nothing there's nothing wrong with learning about other types of investments that you can make strong returns on. And I have to say, again, leave your comment below. I may get some hate for this, but do you all think that gold is going to go up in 2025 at a greater percentage than, let's say, XRP or Bitcoin? We have a lot of these new, ETFs coming online with XRP I've been reading about. And so, what looks off to the races, okay? So yeah, could you lose all your money? Sure. And there are risks to it. So do your own homework, do your own research. That's my story. So definitely not anti-crypto. I'm going to start covering some crypto-related stuff on this channel because I'm involved in it. I'm learning about it. I'm learning more. I'm going to keep educating myself, and I'm going to be, at least avail myself of the opportunity to grow my wealth. If the opportunity presents itself. And of course, there's no guarantees, okay? But it's diversification and it's knowledge. And so you guys do with that, what you will. There is one story I want to share with you out of digital assets, Forbes digital assets I saw today. And it says, Bitcoin braced for a huge earthquake as Fed shock fuels crypto price crash fears. And I wanted to share the article with you because I don't know what this means. I do see this. As a casual observer, I see cryptocurrencies as a whole seem to trade, at least right now, somewhat in concert with the stock market. Meaning if stocks go down, I see Bitcoin follow suit. I haven't seen a divergence as of yet on a routine basis. Again, casual observer, not an expert. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. If you know why, if you disagree with me, let me know. But I think there's going to be a time where you're going to see the markets falling and cryptos taking a whole different path. Okay, when will that be? When will they decouple, if you will? I don't know. This article from Digital Assets seems to indicate that the cryptos are going to fall because the 10-year yield is rising, meaning they're going to come under the same pressure that the stock market does. And I question that. I question that narrative, right? It says many Bitcoin crypto traders are nervously eyeing the short-term outlook for the Bitcoin price and crypto market. Others are confident a downturn will be short-lived. Expectations for higher for longer U.S. interest rates sent bond yields sharply higher, with the 10-year Treasury yield spiking to its highest level since 2023, weighing on equities, as we know, this last week, as the lure of higher returns on bonds makes stocks and risk assets like Bitcoin and crypto less attractive. Guys, weigh in. Do you think that a higher, let's say a higher rate on the 10-year bond is going to have a negative impact on cryptos? It says there is a risk that Bitcoin dips below $92,000 again, which could worsen Bitcoin technical sentiment, and the price may extend its loss as low as $80,000. That's according to Yuya Hasegawa, Bitcoin and crypto market analyst with Tokyo-based BitBank. This week saw an aggressive sell-off, it says, in Bitcoin from 103,000 high down to $91,500. John Glover, Chief Investment Officer of crypto lending platform LEDN, said in comments, adding there could be a dip between 80 to 85,000 if the support above 90,000 fails. I'm seeing today Bitcoin trading back up around that 95,000 level. But look, a lot of people are in Bitcoin at what, 10, 15, 20, 30, $40,000, and so they're still sitting really pretty, right? For me, if you're an XRP at 50 cents and it pulls back to $2 or $1.50, so what? That's probably an opportunity to potentially buy some more if you believe in it, okay? So we talked about the idea that somehow a rising yield on the 10-year is going to have a negative impact on cryptos. And I, as a, just again, non-expert, I think this will, look, for example, on Friday, you guys saw gold and silver, the 10-year was spiking hard. Gold and silver finished higher. Gold put on like a $20 an ounce gain yesterday on Friday, while the 10-year was up like 9 basis points. Look, traditionally you have gold and silver pulling back when the bond yields are spiking. So there's a divergence there, okay? Even a buddy of mine mentioned yesterday, it's interesting to see that gold is putting on pretty nice gains in the face of the move in the 10-year. I bet you sort of see that the decoupling with cryptos as well, and more aligned with gold and silver. So anyway, leave your comments below. I'm going a bit long today, but I thought it'd be an opportunity to let you guys know that I am going to start sharing some crypto stuff on the channel, and I can learn, we all can learn more, okay? So have an open mind about opportunity. If you're positioned correctly, if you've got some dry powder, it's something you can consider. Again, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just sharing with you what I do. So thanks again, everybody, for watching today, and have a great rest of your weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.